what I love about Thai market. One of my favorite things is rows and rows and rows of coffee shop, one next to each other, selling the same thing and just as good. This is like being kid again. Good morning, it's 4 a.m. I'm not usually up this early, but today we are going to the morning market. So come along with us. I have the alcohol, mask. Let's go on our adventure. Good morning.
We got coffee for you.
You got coffee? Oh, yes. Oh, I'm happy now. Morning.
It's like the world turned its back on
Thank
us.
you. Welcome to Klaeng Morning Market. This is beautiful. Right in front of the market. First thing first, we go and get coffee. Our coffee shop, freshly made. So cheese is freshly made right here.
Different colors that we had to put to sleep. All the lovers hope that we could break the spell. All the lovers, we went down the wishing well.
So we have condensed milk, so you have option to put how much you put in. And here's mine. I am watching what I'm eating. This is my second. I want to show you how to eat this. I have to be honest, I'm not going to lie to them how many I have. So this is my second. I just want to show you how to eat this. So you just fall in apart and you dip into the coffee. Yeah, so you just dip it in like this.
If it's heaven or hell, it's like knowing all the ends.
It's so good. To me, this is not everybody's favorite, but it is mine. It is my favorite, my sister's favorite, and Pina's favorite. So, and it is Pad Tango is Thai Chinese donut. Oh, and when you finish your coffee, they have tea. This is what I love about Thailand. When you have coffee, either traditional coffee or fancy coffee, it comes with tea. Not everywhere, but mostly. Most places, I think so. Yeah. Most places have coffee and tea after. This is our takeaway. We ordered this to go. This is 10 baht. I think it's about 1 baht each. So we just finished our coffee and just go for a walk. I have to put my mask back on. That's 10 baht. How they grated the coconut. Freshly squeezed coconut milk in a bag. We'll go and walk through the clothes section. They don't just have food, they have clothes too. Like, you fancy some clothes shopping? We have everything here. Oh, look at this. Beautiful fruit like this. This is ready for offering. Coconut, oranges, different type of oranges. Dragon fruit, different type of mushrooms. We have straw mushrooms and we have seafood. We have the covert chill. Look at this. Wow. Different type of prawns. Wow. Is that shark? You eat shark too? This is the butcher section.
It's like the world turned its back on us, and now I can't tell if it's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you saw it, but you never can tell. All the lovers,
The little coffee shop.
different colors that we had to put.
This is pre-made chili flakes. This is where they sell different, curry paste. Right? Gang pit. Yeah, so the pre-made curry paste. You got green curry, every different type of curry. Mango. Different type of mangoes. I like the dessert stalls. Beautiful cake, ladika. Freshly baked. As you can see, there's rows and rows and rows. We walk straight to another Pad Tango stall. Wow. Khop kun ka. Beautiful. They're so happy. Look. Hi. Arroy box. It's very delicious. Sap sap. So basically they marinated different flavors, all sticky rice and pork, different types. Have a great day. Bye. Can you hear the birds singing? Daylight. The sun hasn't come up yet. The birds coming out. Sun just rise. And it's 6:46 a.m. You'll be partying all night, just come home. Yeah. Oh, we had fun at the morning market, but now just the sun just come up. It's beautiful. We're gonna go back to bed now. We have breakfast. So thank you for coming on this adventure with us. See you on the next video. Bye.